Okay, so will you gonna start with a general store or a niche specific store, and your reason for reason for it?
It depends. So if I would be super clear about what niche I want to enter, if I'm super duper confident that this niche has potential, and I have a great idea about the kind of products that I should be selling in this niche, if I've been able to find a great supplier that serves that niche, then I'm definitely going to start with a niche store. But if in case I am not really clear about that yet, if I'm not sure what niche I should enter from day zero, I'm just going to start with the general store. And I'm going to test multiple niches that make sense to me. Then I'm going to identify what kind of niches and what kind of products are working for me. And once I find multiple winning products within a niche, that's when I'm going to think about transitioning into that niche completely. So before building a separate store for it, I'm going to ensure that this one specific collection, this one specific niche is working great for me within my general store, and then I'm going to go niche.
Yes, sir.